How to reset progress in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to start a course from the starting in Duolingo? Then don't worry, I'll help you out. So, first things first, open up your Duolingo app and then go to the three dots on the bottom right and then tap on profile. Tap on the settings icon on the top right. There you'll find courses, tap on it. And if you want to reset the progress, you'll have to tap on the minus sign with the red circle, and this will reset the whole progress. And if you want to do the course again, you'll have to add that language and start from the beginning. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.